So one cool thing that we could do with auxi is not only swap text or just shapes. What we could do with auxi is swap much more than that. So if we wanted to, for example, use auxi to swap a couple elements, a couple shapes, maybe a couple text boxes, we can. What I'll do here is show you on, let's say this and let's say this. We can simply tap slash and it would then swap them. We can tap slash again to swap it again. We'll go into more detail on the swap function right here. So we'll go to swap advanced. And this gives us the ability to control the specified swapping position and reference points to what we're going to do and what we're going to swap. So we can fully control the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, and we can even go through the layers. Once we do that, we have full control of how we're swapping things. And so let's say we want to middle center swap and then apply. And then we swap them very easily. Now you could opt to just do that or simply a slash and it swaps them again. If we want to swap only text, we'll just select the text box, we'll deselect these, and then we'll select another text box. And we can initially go for the normal swap option, but you could see here how it would result. So what I'll do now is swap advanced. And this is where we have full control over it. So one other thing that we could do with auxi is smart selection. Now this is a relatively underrated aspect of auxi because not really what they expect to use when you see what auxi can do. But the smart selection feature is a very intuitive feature. So what we'll do here is simply right click and then we'll go to select. This gives us all of the options right here. So we can select all text, we can select by fill color, we can select by border color, we can select by font color, we can select by font size, object type, object shapes, and then we can go through the dimensions. So we can go for same height, we can go for same width, and we can go for same size. And I'll do it right here. And so when it's grouped, we can't select it, but we'll go through the smart selection right here. And let's select by, let's say there's gray font. And so we only have that one here, this small footer. So if we wanted to select, let's say everything that has this green color, as you'll see, these are all the things that we have here. Now I ungroup these, so it gives us full customization of what we want to do with them. But it's just a nice, cool tidbit here to add and to, you know, just give us more customization if we're looking through a deck, editing a deck, or just fixing a deck overall.